What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz, and if you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? Today I am super excited. You already know what's gonna happen in that title, so let me just shut up and let's get right to it. Alright, so like you've seen in the title, today we're going to be talking about the Jeffree Star Halloween Mystery Box. So there was 3 tiers. There was the mini, the premium, and then the deluxe. Mini, I think, was $25. The one that I got is the premium, which was $60. And then the big box, I want to say, was $100. And of course, it's like double the value. So I am super excited. I was going to get the deluxe one, but I was like, I'll just go for the premium box today. So I love his mystery boxes because, like I said, you get so much for just that amount of money. I think the $60 box was worth like $120 or something like that, which is a really good deal because, you know, like Jeffree Star is super expensive. At least in my case, I think it's expensive. But his products are honestly worth it. That's one thing I will always say. I do have a lot of his liquid lipsticks. I do have a couple of his palettes, and I have like a lip scrub, and then of course other items that I received like in the other mystery boxes. So when he was coming out with his Halloween ones, of course I had to grab one. And like I said, this was the $60 premium box, so let's get right to it. All right, so just from the packaging alone, you can see it has like the green question marks and like his little symbol, and it has like the webs, you know, for Halloween. So super cute. Let me open her up. Oops, I think I opened it the wrong way. Okay. So here is the inside. And let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God, I already seen what's in here. I already know technically what one of the variations was because one of my friends texted me today. And I was really hoping that I was going to get it because they had different variations for like the palettes. There was, let me see, I think there was like 3 or 4 different variations. And I was really hoping I was going to get this one, and I did. So let me show you the other items first because it is on the bottom. But the first item I see in the box is Posh Spice. This is a velour lip liner, which I love lip liners. I've actually never tried his before, so I'm super excited to try it. So let me show you what she looks like. Ooh, and she's a brownie color. You know I be loving my brownie shades. So this is what it looks like. And then there is the color. It's coming off super light. Like, it is a super light color, but for some reason the light is making it super light. There you go. Like old school YouTube. But there she is. And it is a pencil liner, but they do say the formula is really good. So I'm really excited that I got a shade that I would actually use. So that is the first item. And I want to say those alone, I want to say are like $16, I think, alone, or $20, something in that range. But here is the second item. Super cute. We did get one of these in the Valentine's Day boxes. So I'm actually excited that we got this because I honestly love beanies, and it's black. So you can't go wrong with a black beanie. And then of course it has his little emblem right here. And it's in orange, which is super cute. Perfect for Halloween time. Let me put her on. Like I said, I absolutely love beanies. So, she's cute. And it's good. Like, it's a good material, too. Let me fix my bangs. So, I'm going to keep her on. Super cute. Super cute. Those, I don't know how much it retails because they are an exclusive item, but it's super cute. I'm glad we got it. And then, oh my God, this bad boy right here. Oh my God, I've been wanting this palette for so long. his palettes are expensive. Don't get me wrong. The formula, amazing, 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 amazing. I will give that to him 1000%. But his palettes are expensive. They are at least, I think the cheapest is like $45, I want to say. But they're worth it. It's just, you know, you got to build up your collection. And I haven't gotten my hands on this one. I probably should open it first to show you. I already know what it is, but this is actually the Blue Blood palette. So super cute. As you can tell, it is a blue palette. But he always comes out with super amazing packaging. Look at, that's a makeup palette. That's an eyeshadow palette. Like, what? Not only is this box cute, but this, look at that. This is an eyeshadow palette, y'all. Like, I mean, look at it. She is gorgeous. Let me open her up. Oh my God. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Look at her. She is an all blue palette. She is gorgeous. The pans are pretty decent size, but it's definitely wearable. And then of course she has the big mirror, but I am so excited to get this palette. You have no idea. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna have to do a look soon because she is gorgeous. So I am so excited that I got this in the box because this honestly made my day. Like, I like the lip liner, I like the beanie too, but this is definitely what makes me the most happy for sure. All right, so that is 3 out of the 5. And then the next one is Shockwave. It is the gloss. So I do have one of his other glosses. I got it in another mystery box. And it's super, super glittery, so I don't wear it all the time. Like, it is a pretty nice formula, but I don't wear lip gloss that much. I'm more of a liquid lip, matte lip kind of girl. So, let me open her up. Okay. Ooh, this is a pretty color, though. So, here she is. It's like a champagne brown gold, super wearable color. Ooh, that is pretty. I know these run same thing as those, probably like $18, $20-ish. So I'm glad to be getting it in the box. You can never go wrong with a neutral color. So even though I don't use glosses all that much, that packaging is gorgeous. And like I said, I liked his formula. I'm just not a gloss person. All right, and then last item in the box, if I could find her. I hear her. Okay, there she is. Ooh. So this is in the Velour liquid lipstick in the color Diamond. I don't know what color this is, like what it looks like. I do love his formula. Oh, this is pretty. I probably won't wear it, but it is a pretty color. It's like a lavender periwinkle. You can also use this as liners as well, so that I might do. Because I'll be honest, I won't use this for my lips. I'm not that bold. I salute people who do wear colors like this, but it's not my thing. But it is a pretty color. It is cool to get in the box for people who do wear colors like this. Honestly, like I said, I am so happy I got that palette. That's the thing that I love the most. So I ain't mad. You know, like I said, I could use it for liner. I could use it for, I don't know. I really don't do Halloween looks. But I could use it for other stuff. And it's always cool to have some items from Jeffree Star. Super cute. Liquid lipsticks also run about $22, $21 in the 20s mark. So like I said, such a good deal. I think that's everything. Yep. Such a good deal. You literally got a good deal. You literally got the palette, you got this beanie, you got the liquid lip, you got the the gloss, and you got the lip liner. So I definitely think it was worth the $60. I will use all of them. Like I said, even this, that it's not really a shade I'll use for my lips. I can use it as a liner on top. I can use it for little like artsy things. I don't know if I want to like paint on my face. I don't know. There's so much that you can do with makeup that I ain't mad. Honestly, I am not mad at all. This palette is so gorgeous. I can't wait to do looks with this. And I would definitely show you guys as well. But yeah, I think that's honestly it for this unboxing. I know it was super short, but I wanted to jump on camera as soon as I got my box. Like I said, friend Kayla actually got this box today. And then when I came home, I found out that I got it. So I was like, oh, I gotta film. I gotta open it up. I was so excited. And then I'm not gonna lie, I did look at some of the spoilers because that's just me. I cannot look at the spoilers. Like, I want to know what I got inside my box, even though it's a mystery box. So yeah, that is basically it. I want to thank you guys for watching. I know it was like super short, super sweet, just right to it, but I appreciate you guys always coming and watching my videos. And if you guys can, definitely please be sure to subscribe and also ring that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. And also, do not forget to follow me on all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter. Catch me on the TikTok as well. It is thejams2535. Also, follow me on my business page. It is the Jazzy Jewels. I be making my earrings. I be making my cups. Girl, you're going to see what I'm coming out with soon. Can't wait for Christmas time. You guys are definitely going to love those colors. That is it. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.